we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check it out at mikesmilitaria.com. A lot of stuff on the website. Again, mikesmilitaria.com. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And I have not pre-started the opening, so we are going to go ahead and start with the tape. Be careful here. I'm going to take this out of view for a second. And use the back right there. Alright, nice. Look at that. We have a bag. Let's see what we got here. Wow. This is a lot of stuff. Wow. Okay. Neat. I am going to use this as a garment bag. Thank you, Mike. A little bit of bonus. Oh my. Well, well, well. We have got stuff here and extra stuff. Thank you, Mike. Alright, so I'm going to go off what I ordered here. What we have here, a little bit unprepared, but looks like we have Italian Kevlar trauma plate used, and these were sold as sets of 2. I did order 3 sets. Looks like some of these actually came with covers. Thank you, Mike. That's very interesting. This one has a pad, this one doesn't. Looks like we have some aging there. And caveat, these are for collectible purposes only, not for actual use because of age. Kevlar does have a shelf life, so it is, again, purely for collectible display purposes. So it is not recommended to actually use these for their original purpose. I must stress that, and I'm sure Mike stresses that as well on his product listings. So keep that in mind. These are collectible items as their main intention. And of course, they're being used. There is variations as to condition. That is to be expected. So here's 2. I'm just going to set them aside because there's quite a bit of stuff here. You can see this one has a very large foam pad. We have actually some writing here, but time has seemed to have faded that. There's a very interesting aroma that those who are familiar with aged Kevlar will recognize. I can definitely smell the aroma from the fibers. Again, there's some sort of marking there, a number, very large backing, so those 2 are very similar. And if I backtrack to this one is very similar to this one that was in the cover with 2 pads. And you can see here, this one does have stamping of Cazioni and C, contratto number, lotto, and then another number there. I pay so. Okay. Alright, so there should be one more. No pads, but again, contratto number. Looks like Sistema Compositi, Del, and then another number. So it looks like May 22nd of 95. And then a specific numbering there. Very interesting. These are quite thick. You can see a cross section of the fibers. I don't want to really rub that too much. I'm not sure how much that will penetrate skin. Okay, moving along. I had ordered a Cairo Patch. It looks like he sent me 2. Thank you, Mike. These are going to go and be used as accessories on some of the uniforms that I collect and that have Velcro backing. You can see the different material threading and stitching on the patches. These are very nice, high quality. Thank you, Mike. Let's skip this for now because this is a bonus item, I can tell right off. And let's go back to one of the other items that I had actually ordered. So he also had included one of his stickers. That was a very nice design. Okay. Put that in the collection that I have right here. And let's get this box out of the way. Ooh. Yeah. This large item here is a British IS, and we're not quite sure what the IS stands for. Feel free to do your own research. Body armor with ballistic panel inserts used, and this is supposed to be a large, long 190 by 120. So, based on the weight, yeah, it does have stuff. So, let's see here. If we bring it up, let's see if we can show you the label. Alright, there we go. Took a little bit for my cheap camera here to focus. You can see the size right there, NATO numbers, cover, body armor, IS, Woodland, and DPM. So this is, of course, British DPM pattern. Trying to see if there's a year marking. That's, I'll quickly date this, but I'm not quite sure how to interpret all the numbers. So we'll just go and quickly observe on the features here. Obviously a large Velcro closure here. We also have Velcro on the side adjustments for different body types, and Velcro insert spots to do the initial closure, and then use the larger one there to finish closing it. So you can see how these are cinched on the sides, and then these help tighten up for better fit on the side as well. You can see DPM all the way around. Nice solid back. I can feel the soft insert right here. It goes all the way up. There's a zipper that runs all the way around the perimeter of the top, so you can clean and maintain your inner pads. I can also feel the inner pad going all the way around the front, all the way up. The shoulders, which are padded as well. You can see the pockets for harder plates that can be put over your vitals, as well as on the back. We have a snap right here. You see some buckles that help with the tightening process. And let's just double check to see what we got in here. Yep. Nothing in there. Let's double check the front one. Here's your rank epaulet. So this does have quite a bit of heft to it, and it does look like it will fit me. I do have a certain size requirement, and here's also another loop to help keep this maintain the shape. Very nice. Now let's check out this bonus item that he threw in here. He threw in a lot of bonus stuff this time around. I'm very grateful and appreciative for that, Mike, because anything collectible is always very cool. So, you know, these are caps. It looks like he sent me 6 of them. Oh my. So feel free to check out on the Mike B website. Looks like that one's missing a grommet, no biggie. Might be able to find replacement. And the rest seem to be in very good condition. You can see the label. Let me turn off this one light and see if we can avoid some glare. That might help. Yeah. Okay. So this is Uniform Mutzenfabrik, Albert Kempf. That's one. Let's see about this label. This one's a Schmidt and Hartlieb. Looks like we got a person's name and some other information there. This one is also Schmidt and Hartlieb. This one does not have a label, but it does have a name and the A marking. This one is a W. Merck Mosingen. You're getting a very nice variety of manufacturers here. Look at this. GUF brand. Looks like it belonged to Thomas Horn. Yeah, very interesting. So in summary, we have these, I don't know if I can't recall if these are overseas caps or not, so don't hold me to that. But again, feel free to check them out on the Mike B website at mikesmilitaria.com. Working backwards, again, this is the British IS body armor with ballistic panel inserts used. Bonus caps. The Cairo Patch, feel free to research on your own time the background behind the Cairo symbol. And we started off with the Italian Kevlar trauma plates used that were sold in sets of 2, so I bought 3 sets. So, again, all these goodies came from mikesmilitaria.com. Check it out. There's always a large variety of stuff on the website. You can get them while they're in stock. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific items, whether they be vintage or milsurp. We also do curios for the curious, more artsy type objects, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.